All right, here I had a 2025 Ford F-150 with a 2.7 liter engine. And if you just want the quick oil change info, it takes 5W30. It takes 6 quarts of that. The oil filter socket size is 27 millimeters. The oil filter cap torque is 18 foot-pounds. And then if you want an OEM filter, that's the part number down there. And then the rest of the video is just me showing where everything's at. So here at the top, on the left, you have your oil filter. On the right, you have your oil fill cap and your dipstick right next to each other. Down here, you have one of these plastic drain plugs. Usually, I just use like a needle nose or one of these wrenches to turn it 120 degrees to the left. Kind of like showing here. You turn it all the way until it stops, and then you pull it out. And then when you put it back on, you turn it another 120 degrees to the right until it stops. And then here on the oil filter, you want to make sure you replace all 3 of your O-rings. And then you add a little oil to when you install it. And like I said, this is the OEM oil filter. And then when you get that, you want to make sure you get your 3 O-rings. All right. And then when you reset your oil life, you're gonna be here. You press menu. You go down, all the way down to vehicle maintenance. Press OK on that. And then here's your oil life. Press to that. And then it says hold OK to reset oil life. This one doesn't need it yet, but when you hold OK, it'll show a little bar, and then it'll tell you when to let go, and it'll say reset to 100%. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I can try to help you out.